Let us start with next one, that is question number 14. So when it comes to question number 14, which one of the following is the most energetic conformation of cyclohexane? So here most energetic conformation of cyclohexane means we know the stability. So the stability of conformations, the stability of conformations of cyclohexane is given by the order what? Chair form is more stable than twist boat form. Twist boat form is more stable than boat form, and this boat form is more stable than half chair form. The question is what? Which one of the following is most energy? So here it has been given that it should be containing maximum energy. So if it has maximum energy means the stability should be minimum or stability should be less. So here half chair has minimum stability, hence the correct answer is half chair, which is given by the option D. Next one, question number 15. Which one of the following is not formed when a mixture of methyl bromide and bromobenzene is heated with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether? So they have given what? One reactant is methyl bromide, the other reactant is what? It is bromobenzene. This is reacted with sodium metal in the presence of ether solvent. So here two molecules of methyl bromide can combine together to give ethane. So 2 moles of bromobenzene can combine together to give diphenyl, and it can form what? 2 times of NABR as the byproduct. Along with that, one bromobenzene and one methyl bromide can combine together to form a product called as toluene. So when we go through with the option, ethane is given, diphenyl is given, toluene is given. The compound which is not formed is what? Propane, which is given by the option C. Next one, question number 16. Methane can be converted into ethane by the reactions. So here what they are asking, so methane has to be converted into what? Methane has to be converted into ethane. So when methane has to be converted into ethane means the first case is methane has to be subjected to chlorination in the presence of diffused sunlight such that we get chloromethane along with HCl. So when 2 moles of this chloromethane is made to react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, which is nothing but a Woods reaction. So when it is subjected to Woods reaction, we are going to get what? Ethane. Hence, the correct answer is first it has to be subjected to chlorination followed by Woods reaction, which is given by the option C. Next one, question number 17. Least energetic conformation of cyclohexane is, so least energetic conformation means it should be more stable. So the more stable form is what? Chair form. Hence the chair form is more stable. So if it is more stable means energy is less. Hence the correct answer is given by option A, that is chair conformation. Next one, question number 18. The compound that reacts fastest with sodium methoxide is, so when we consider the options, that is 2,4 dinitrochlorobenzene, let us write all the options. The first option is 2,4 dinitrochlorobenzene. The second option is para-nitrochlorobenzene. The third option is just chlorobenzene, and the fourth option is meta-nitrochlorobenzene. The fourth option is meta-nitrochlorobenzene. So when we go through with this, with reference to structure A, the electron withdrawing groups are maximum. So nitro groups are strongest electron withdrawing groups, which increases the reactivity of aryl halides. Hence the correct option for the given question is what? Option A, which is nothing but 2,4 dinitrochlorobenzene. is the correct answer.